Hi madam, how are you?
Fine.
So welcome to Popular Motors madam. మీరు విక్టోరియస్ పర్చేస్ చేశారు కదా మన దగ్గర. నాకు ఒక స్మాల్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. సో వెహికల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది, మీ డ్రైవింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మాతో ఒక్కసారి షేర్ చేసుకుంటారా ప్లీజ్?
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. I am Mamta. Have recently become the owner of the Victorious. As month ago we are in search of a new car. So I came across the Maruti Suzuki Victorious. We like the features in it as it is advanced. We bought a automatic car and the features are also very good and the journey is also very smooth, and inside also the AC provision, sound system, all are with good advanced features. So overall we like the features and I will recommend each and everyone to purchase the car. Very much satisfied with the services of RKS, Popular RKS, and the staff members cooperation also.
Thank you so much madam.
హాయ్ సార్. సార్ వెహికల్ తీసుకున్నారు కదా సార్, సో వెహికల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? సో వెహికల్ గురించి మీ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్స్ కొంచెం షేర్ చేయండి సార్ మాకు.
First of all, I am thankful to Kamal Liu and RK Sabu, Panino Sachinji. Then it was very good that we bought this vehicle. Actually, we were going for Creta vehicle. Suddenly, we came to a showroom to see this vehicle and we latched on this. So we liked all the features, particularly second ADAS feature, panoramic roof. Then you have facilities, automatic online facilities, 360 degree view camera, followed with contactless charging, and driving comfort is excellent. It's a return for the value of the money what we have paid for, and it's an excellent vehicle. I recommend that people should buy this vehicle. It is very comfortable. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.